Good morning, Harm, and welcome. And I thank you for this interview. Today we are at the CTA Ceramic Technology Academy, and we are welcome to one of our students that is here today to tell us something about this experience. He has followed one of our training in the defect area, and so I would like to ask Harm to present himself first of all.
Thank you for the interview. My name is Harm Warnier. I'm living in the Netherlands. I'm working at the Royal Moza. It's a wall tile and floor tile producer in the Netherlands. And I work there as a process technologist in the wall tile factory, mostly for glazing, firing, and sorting of wall tiles.
Okay, many thanks. So, what about the importance of the training for your company?
We do a lot of training during the year. At the beginning of each year, we set some goals that we need to work on in the next year. And these goals are not only consist of projects that need to be carried out, but also of goals for the development of our own knowledge and skills of the employee. And these personal developments, they contribute to employees being trained better and more broadly, which creates a better base for being able to do our work well. And training courses are selected based on current projects, issues we have, quality problems, or a specific interest of the employee.
Oh, that's good. And what about the benefits of this training? You said you have multiple kind of trainings. Which are the benefits of these trainings?
By following trainings or courses, our knowledge and skills as a team from technology is becoming increasingly wider. And due to the investment we make in training, we notice that we are getting better and faster in solving problems or carrying out improvement processes and projects. And by following the training courses and better understanding the theory behind the process, it helps to get better and faster to the core of the problem or issue.
Oh, I see. I see. And what
Yeah.
about since you know better how to solve problems thanks to the training, what about career development?
Um, in our development, we get encouraged to follow training courses that contribute to our own development or to the development of the company, of course. And by offering employees the opportunity to develop ourselves or other employees, we're getting more committed to the company. We stay longer to the company, and you see also that the people who gain more knowledge and more work experience during the years that they are within the company, it ultimately contributes to the entire organization.
I
Because
see.
when we make a more solid and becoming stronger in all areas we need to do, not only for production or technology, but also in sales or development of people. This results ultimately in a better company and also a better product and process, and also that helps the customer.
I see. I see. Um, you have followed a course about the defects for the ceramic tiles
Yeah.
industry. Could you please spend a few words about the trainers?
What I've noticed is that the trainer, I've mentioned it's Alessandro from
Mm-hmm.
SACMI.
Yes,
He was, I think, very skilled and able to explain the course material. That was very interesting. And what also was very important, that he was very good able to answer all the questions we have. We had a lot of questions from the course, but also some questions from problems or questions we have from out of the company. And he was very able to explain everything very well. Yeah.
perfect. And last question, last but not least, because this is an important question really. How and if the training as an influence in your work, in your everyday work?
Yeah, it has a lot of influence. I followed the training, what was it called? Town Manufacturing Defects, Diagnosis and Therapy. After a tip from one of my colleagues, he's seen it on LinkedIn, the Ceramic Academy. So that's why I get to your academy. And in our factory, we had been suffering from defects in our products for quite some time, since the summer of 2024. And with the help of this training, I've gained a lot of knowledge about the different causes of and possible solutions of the defects. And yeah, ultimately the training helped to search faster and better to the cause of the defects. And yeah, this helped us to increase the yield of our factory and deliver a better and higher quality end product to our customer.
Perfect. So, Harm, would you suggest the course to other people?
Yeah, I would highly recommend to follow the course. It's yeah, it was nice. It was planned for 2 times 2 hours, but we get a lot of good training material, good explanation, and yeah, that was very nice. Yeah.
Perfect. So, Harm, I do thank you for this little interview and for your experience. I thank
You're
you very
welcome.
much indeed, and CTA thanks you, and I hope to see you again in future courses.
Of course. We planned
Okay.
already the next one. So.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.